Whenever you're ready.
Hey everybody! Welcome to our first meetup. My name is Ryan, and I guess I clicked the button to start the meetup group, which is probably most of the work that I've done for this first event. But we had lots of different individuals sign up for the meetup, and Stanislav volunteered Aftonbladet and also originally to be one of the speakers. So we're real excited that we could finally have our first event. I think it's been 5 months since we started the group. For me, I guess I was surprised that in Sweden there wasn't a WordPress-focused group. And I kept on going to the meetup and I was searching WordPress and I couldn't find anything. And I went to every other city, Oslo and Tallinn, and they all have WordPress groups. So I'm glad we could finally start one and have a little community where we can both talk in person and communicate online. So welcome. I guess I'll leave it over first to Stanislav that has helped organize the event and took a back seat on being one of our main speakers, but he'll give a little introduction, a little bit about Aftonbladet and Schibsted, and then we'll have our 3 speakers, which I'll let you introduce. So thanks for organizing, and everyone, thanks for being here.
Great. All right, so you may have already seen the event schedule, which is posted on the blog, but it's basically going to be one presentation, and then we're going to go out and have a nice little pizza buffet with food and drink, and then we're going to have 2 short presentations after that. So, but I also want to take the opportunity to speak a little bit about Schibsted, which is a brand you maybe do not recognize, but what you may recognize are some of the brands that it operates, such as Aftonbladet, Svenska Dagbladet, Blocket, and Prisjakt. But that's not all. We actually have even more companies owned by Schibsted, which operate mostly in Norway and Sweden, but also in a large part of Europe. And another thing, we love WordPress. We may not use it. We may not use it for the sites that we just showed, but we do have a lot of really cool WordPress projects. For example, we have a very large blog network of over 400 different blogs. For example, we have Härligt Hemma, which is like an interior design inspiration site. I see it's a little cut off, so you can't actually see everything. But we have viral sites, which like at and Aftonbladet Viralt, which you may have accidentally clicked on when you see it in the Facebook feed. We have long-read journalism sites, which are also in WordPress, advertorials, and opinion sites where anyone can submit an article for everyone to read. All of this in WordPress. And we are actually today welcoming another member, the UWay, which is a fashion inspiration site, which is actually just launched today on a brand new WordPress platform. So, of course, I want to plug a little bit. So if this sounds interesting, if you'd like to work on some of the largest WordPress sites in Sweden, grab me after when we're having something to eat. We can talk more. Now I will leave it over to Erik, our first speaker,